Hey, hi everyone. It's been a roller coaster ride for our markets in last couple of weeks. Last week, September expiry panned out at the lowest point of the series, and from the next session immediately, markets started rebounding sharply. The same momentum carried over to this week as well to head towards 11,300 first. In the midst, Nifty looked a bit tentative around this important hurdle of 11,300 350, but on Thursday it just blew out to reclaim the 11,400 mark convincingly on a closing basis. In last 5 sessions, markets almost had a V-shaped recovery, and within no time we are off last Thursday's low more than 600 points, which is remarkable. This rally was mainly triggered by strong positive cues from the global peers, and there was no negative development on the domestic front as well. Honestly speaking, this sharp up move has surprised us to some extent, especially the upsurge on Thursday to surpass the barrier of 11,300. Yes, markets are superior and there's no harm accepting the miss. Now we are standing at a crucial juncture where we can see a converging point of two important trend lines. If we connect recent swing highs and swing lows, two trend lines are converging around 11,475, 11,550. If these levels are taken out, this will certainly negate the bearish stance and then can head higher. But till the time it's not crossed convincingly, we are still not completely out of the woods. So first half of the forthcoming week would be crucial as it would decide the next path of action for our market. On the low side now 11,300 180 has become an important support zone. The weakness will get confirmed only below these important points. This week, banking had a spectacular comeback, and it's very vital, in determining the trend of the markets in the near term. Traders are advised to keep a note of all the, mentioned levels and should create aggressive bets only after the confirmation of any of the above scenarios. Now, as far as stock ideas are concerned, we have one buy and one sell idea. So on the long side, we like Oro Pharma. The entire pharma space has been the flavor in this pandemic times. Oro Pharma has been a laggard since last 1.5 months. It has taken a backseat, but the kind of price action that we saw in the latter half last week, it suggests that the stock is poised for resuming its higher degree uptrend. Hence, this stock can be bought on minor dip for a target of somewhere around 860, 875. That's a positional target by keeping a strict stop loss around 791. And the short call would be on BPCL. OMCs have been underperforming since last few weeks, and BPCL is the one stock that has been consolidating around its multiple support zone for a while. But last week we witnessed a decisive breakdown from its key support levels. Hence, any rebound from current level can be sold into. We recommend going short somewhere around 360, 362 for a target of 335, and stop can be placed around 374. Thank you.